Hey folks, Bill here from Survival. Thank you for joining me to take another video. So this video is a follow-up to my last one where I went over my PSK tin. So we're going to follow up. This is how I carry that PSK tin. This is in my Bushcraft belt pouch from Tough Possum Gear. You can see right here that the belt mounts through here. And I just let that ride on the back of my belt. So with that, I'm going to go through this kit and show you what I keep my survival belt pouch. So in that belt pouch kit, we'll bust into it here. I'm going to zoom out a little bit. Excuse me. Here, we'll go right there. And we'll get into this kit. So with that, we'll start in this pouch. This goes on my belt along with my multi-tool, which is my Victorinox SwissTool Spirit X, and my fixed blade, whatever it may be at the time. We're just using the Dozer KS7 for reference on this. So we'll set that here. So in this pouch, we'll start at the top. And I think we might just zoom back in. I think that'll work best so you can see what's coming in and out. So first thing we got up top are these Noon Sports Hydration Caffeine Tablets. They provide some electrolytes to go in your water, especially here in the summer. When it's real humid out, being able to have that little bit of electrolytes is going to go a long way. So we have this in there. Next up, we have our just a small Rite in the Rain journal, the waterproof Rite in the Rain notepad. We also have a pencil in here to go with that. It's nice to have something you can take notes on. If you find yourself where you have to bust into this survival kit and you need to leave notes for rescuers, family, whatever it may be, you have that ability. Next up in here, we have two different solely fruit jerkies. This is the banana dark chocolate and the mango blueberry. The ability just to have a small snack in a kit like this goes a long way, and I don't think we're gonna have no room. So we have the two solely fruit jerkies. Nice little bit of food, a little bit of sugars, so the ability to keep you going a little longer. Since it's summer, this is something I always carry in my kit. This is just some Neutrogena 60 SPF sunscreen for your face. You can use it everywhere else. It's just in a small rub-on stick. So sunscreen is something I always carry in my summer survival kits. Next up, we have a flashlight. This is my Acebeam UC3A. Gonna see a video coming out just on this here soon. So good little flashlight. I like because you can clip this onto a headlamp. It gives you a lantern mode, and it gives you a regular beam. So just a great multifunction little light. And with that, we also carry some rechargeable batteries for extra spare batteries. That way we have the ability to keep using it over an extended period of time. And then lastly, set this here. We got the pencil for the Rite in the Rain. And then lastly, we have the PSK tin we went over in the last video. And that all stores nicely into the Tough Possum Gear Bushcraft belt pouch. When you carry just the basics and you have it on your person, it can go a long way. So you have the ability with the multi-tool here, having the pliers, the wire cutters, the saw, the excellent blade, and Victorinox great scissors. We also have a file. On top of having your screwdriver, your can opener, your awl, having the ability to use your multi-tool, use the snare wire, the fishing line, the rope you have in here to build a shelter with the included SOL heat sheet is just an immense game changer if you should find yourself in that situation. You don't need to use that for heavy work because we always carry a belt knife with us in the woods, guys and gals. So we've been talking a lot about things that can affect your survival in a positive way, and just having the basics and a basic small kit on you can do wonders for making sure you're able to get out of a bad situation. and turn something that may be a bad situation into a rough night or two. And everything here lets you have that rough night and have that unexpected camping trip and come away relatively scot-free. So is the kit perfect? Probably not. Is it very, will it suffice for most people? If you have a solid amount of skill, understanding what to do with the kits and the pieces of the kit in here, the ability to use a knife in a efficient manner, and the knowledge of using your tools, this kit will provide you the ability to turn what could be a bad situation into a positive. So, big advocate, folks. Pack the minimum. You don't have to have a ton. You don't have to have a big satchel, huge backpack. You can see these 3 items right here, pretty much right on my belt with everything included here, and just give me a great material advantage to add to my knowledge out in the woods. So this kit without the knowledge might not do you that much. So remember, as always, get a couple good books. Any of the ones we've went over on my Instagram. If you guys want to see some videos on books, let me know and I can do that too. But just wanted to follow up to the last PSK video and show how that rides in the belt pouch and how we would apply that. So that's it for today, guys. I hope you enjoyed the video. Thank you for helping me keep the channel going. I'm really enjoying making these videos for everyone, and I enjoy the conversations. It's fun again, and I appreciate that more than you guys know. So till next time, folks, stay safe, and we'll talk soon. Bye for now.